Good morning. What day is it? Wednesday?
Mm-hmm.
I just looked at the weather and we were supposed to get 5 to 8 inches. Now we're supposed to get 8 to 12 inches of snow today.
Yeah.
I'm terrified because I have to drive home in that crap. Did you get my messages last night?
Yeah.
Okay. Both the boys' schools got canceled for the day because of the snow. So I'm the only one leaving the house. I need to get up and get ready for work. At least I'll make it to work. And just take my time getting home, I guess, so.
Yeah, I mean, it'll not have accumulated too much by the time that you leave work, hopefully.
No, it's supposed to start snowing at 4:30, so like right now. It's supposed to stop at 6 and start back up at 10. And then snow from 10 until, they said 5, and then it's supposed to be rain and snow mix from 5 all throughout the night.
4-day weekend?
No. Would it be 4 days?
Today, tomorrow, 5-day weekend.
Yeah, no.
You'd have 2 days off and then 1 day on, and then...
I would have to work Saturday if I did that. And I don't like working Saturdays. But I do need to get up and get ready for work, though. Alright guys, I've been home from work for a couple hours now. We have an ice storm going on right now, so it took me an extra like 45 minutes to get home. It's supposed to go until 1 o'clock in the morning, so I don't know if I'm going into work tomorrow. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. But since I got home, me and Shaun ate and watched anime. There's leftover lasagna on the counter, that's all we got left. I gotta get these dishes done. And laundry just ended in the dryer, so I gotta put that away. Both the boys didn't have school today. You probably already knew that, though. I'm wondering if they'll have school tomorrow or if they'll cancel that. So, I'm just really tired. I don't feel like doing anything. So I'm actually probably just gonna go lay down for a little bit. And then it's the anime we're watching. And then like an hour when I get up, do these dishes and put the laundry away. So also Shaun's medicine came today. It was supposed to be here by Friday, so I'm happy that came so he can breathe. Alright, I'm gonna go lay down for a little bit. What?
Why do people put muffins in freezers?
Why do they put muffins in the freezer?
Yes.
So they'll last longer?
Where's the apple shopper?
Probably in that drawer. I just used a knife. But it's probably in that drawer. Anyway, it's now 6 o'clock. And now I gotta get all these dishes done and the kitchen cleaned up. And I also need to put laundry away. I wonder if Shaun will help me. Let's see. I don't want to show little Shaun because he just got out of the shower. He's just in a towel. Shaun? Shaun?
What's up?
Can you help me?
Yeah.
Alright, yay, you can help me. I'm gonna put the clothes in this basket while he's coming up.
He's like, Mary wants you? Does anybody know?
What?
I said, Mary wants me, but they heard May.
Who's May?
Oh, you know, just my side girl.
Oh, funny thing. When I was in 3rd grade and we did an art project,
Yeah.
I wrote, like, we were supposed to write our name on the back. And I wrote, like, May. I forgot the R.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it was funny.
We were doing a spelling test, and I spelled, I was supposed to spell Virginia, and I spelled vagina.
I'll believe it. I probably would have done the same thing. I want help. Don't show Shaun in this house. I want help cleaning the kitchen and putting the laundry away. Okay?
Hi, Shaun.
Hi.
How are you, buddy?
Fine. I hate my hair still.
That's right. I suggest you not do that here. Let me show you how to do this best. You never want to cut towards your fingers, because goodness forbid that it actually gives. You always want to cut away.
I'm gonna make Shaun's lunch. Around.
Alright, I'll go fold all those towels. Oh, come on, Shorty, move it. Nope.
I got it. Stop.
She doesn't want me touching her boobies.
I could reach those ones.
Okay, Shorty.
You're gonna fold the towels for me?
Yep. Hi, Jax. Yes, I hear you. You have treats. It's not many, but they are right there. I promise you. Calm down, guy. Jeez. Cheese and rice. I made the bed. Boing. Boing. Huh. 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 It's the ice rain hitting the window. That's the sound. Tick tock. The clock is ticking. Because the towels have stripes, they go into the boys' bathroom. It's dark. Ooh. Do-do-do-do-do. Poppy, power.
Okay. What's up?
Oh, you know, just.
You forgot what else I asked you to do.
You didn't ask me anything else.
I asked you to help me put the laundry away and help clean up the kitchen. It's septic tank.
Nope. We gotta give
I forgot.
dynamic movements.
Cup. Really? You left that much rice in here?
You're welcome.
He has no food cups in here, so I gotta get out of the pantry.
Goodbye, Mexican dip. Meow. Right, Jax? That's what I thought. I knew he'd say that. You know what? I even bet you'll say it again. Watch. Hi, Jax. Oh, yeah? Pet the cat.
Can you pull up those water bottles?
Close.
Water bottles. Fill them up, put them in the fridge.
Fill them up. First thing, I don't trust this water. I do actually. Close. You can do it.
What's up? Why are you on my own?
Because he needs more attention.
Whose cord is this?
That's not a cap on it. What's up, Jax? I don't know. Take it downstairs. Put her in the wire box.
Take the seat down there too.
Really just have him take it back to his teacher.
No. We might need it some other time for another project.
The time where we end up tossing all the bottles is when we can't find lids for them, they're destroyed, or somebody's sick in the house, because then we don't reuse bottles.
Or there's the bottles that don't have the good lids.
Yeah.
Because Dasani changed their lids.
Hi, Jax. Did you want more treats, Jax?
Of course you do, always.
Did you want more treats,
Like
buddy?
not on the island, that'd be great.
Cat tree. I'll get you some more. About that time anyways. Pet the cat. Need more than that?
I need one for the table.
No, I'm not touching them. Those things destroy my fingers.
Someone's sticky all over them.
Put an ice cube in his water.
Yeah.
Oh, look, another water bottle. Here.
Is it still raining ice outside?
Yes. I was folding the towels and I could hear
Here?
the rain hitting the window in the bedroom.
I wonder if the kids will school tomorrow.
Probably not. Because roads are going to be ice.
Well, it says it's supposed to end around 1 a.m.
Roads are going to be ice.
Can you get napkins for this?
You get scared by anything. Napkins. Ah!
Stop!
Told you.
I'm really tired.
You're really tired?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Probably I kept getting woken up last night.
Yeah.
Like, as soon as I fell asleep, I got the phone call from school. And then I fall back to sleep, and then the phone rings. Your phone rings from the school. And I fall back to sleep 10 minutes later. Your mother calls. Your phone. I ignore it.
Oh, that's yours.
I send it to voicemail. And then she calls the house phone. I'm like, oh my God.
Somebody ate all my bananas.
Huh?
Somebody ate all of my bananas.
Shaun. He had a banana in his room yesterday. I said, why do you have a banana in here? He said, don't worry about it.
Uh-huh.
And I said, okay. Are you okay?
The cat knows my love.
Uh-huh. Do you get the boys on your dishes?
Yep.
They shouldn't, but you never know. I did have a plan. Take it downstairs.
Because he keeps putting it behind his door.
Why?
Because he doesn't have a lock anymore.
Doesn't he use that at night?
No.
He uses the other one, the box fan. Nice guy. Do you have any dirty dishes? Have to sneeze. Bless me.
Children just don't learn no matter how many times I tell them. That's why.
What, to not take stuff into the room? They do it anyway? You're home all day with them.
A simple concept. All you gotta do is take 2 minutes out of your day to just eat your food out here.
They don't know how to do that.
Shows.
You need a different load. Minus the cups, those have to be washed by hand. But I'm not doing it tonight. I don't feel like it.
Boring.
Huh?
Boring.
Boring?
Boring.
Oh boy. This probably needs to be washed too. Good thing we have 2 of them. Alright. That is done.
Whee!
Where are you going?
To the basement.
You're gonna help me finish the laundry?
How much of the laundry do you need finished?
I just would like your company, but okay, you can go downstairs. Alright, well, let's go put the laundry away now. Man, my hair's a mess.
What do you need me for?
I said I just... Huh?
What do you need me for as far as laundry goes?
I said I just wanted your company.
Oh, my company.
Whose basket is this?
Shaun's? Whee. Whee.
How come all these clothes are Skylar's? That's Shaun's basket.
Shaun had a couple.
Because he puts his clothes in the laundry room basket and they must have not have brought you that one. That's very irritating. Can you please take that to his room?
Why? He's literally going to be called over here to get some
Again,
clothes.
nothing in here is Shaun's. All of this is Skylar's.
Uh-huh.
That's why I was wondering why that was.
Shaun had like 2 items that were in
They
there.
were probably towels. Like I said, he puts his clothes in the laundry room or in the bathroom basket. I literally just has said that to you. See how well he listens. I mean, those pants might be his, but. Okay, I lied. One thing is his. These pretty pants.
Shaun, come get your pants.
This used to be Shaun's shirt, but he didn't like the color, so. Skylar has it now. And he's gonna come with no clothes on also, I'm pretty sure of it. Actually, I think he had pants on. He's not a shirt on. Alright, that's pretty much it for the night. I'm gonna edit this video and then go to bed early because I'm exhausted. And Shaun took the clock off of the wall. Right there. It's supposed to be a clock. He didn't like the ticking noise it was making last night, so he took it off the wall. Look at that. But, hope you liked the video. Comment if you have anything to say, and subscribe for more. And we'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.